Welcome to another episode of my debut for Creature with an origami cat. The first we're going to need a square piece of paper, don't matter the size, however big you want. I'm doing a mini one. So get your piece of paper and fold it into a triangle, like this. You cut the triangle, take one corner, fold it that way. Fold the other one that way. Here. Then fold here. You have your cat. Place it or whatever you want. Flip it over, keep it folded. And you have a dog. That would be like this story.